Repairing relationships, the art of mending broken ties. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very meaningful phrase, mend the broken ties. This expression is not just about language. It's about life, relationships, and the journey of healing. Stay with us as we dive deep into understanding its significance and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, mend the broken ties, is a metaphorical expression used to describe the process of repairing or restoring damaged relationships. Let's break it down. Mend means to fix or repair something that is broken or damaged. Broken ties refer to relationships that have been damaged, usually because of a disagreement, misunderstanding, or long periods of no communication. So, when we talk about mending broken ties, we're talking about making efforts to rebuild trust, resolve conflicts, and reconnect with someone from whom we've been estranged. Mending broken ties is crucial for several reasons. It promotes emotional healing, forgiveness, and understanding. Repairing relationships can lead to improved mental health. Holding on to grudges or unresolved conflicts can be emotionally taxing. Reconciliation can bring peace and closure. Strengthened connections. Rebuilding a relationship can lead to stronger bonds, as overcoming difficulties together often deepens mutual respect and understanding. Positive examples. Taking the step to mend relationships can set a powerful example for others about the value of forgiveness and the strength of character. Mending broken ties is not always easy, but it's worth the effort. Here are some steps to consider. 1. Reflect on the situation. Understand your feelings and the reasons behind the conflict. 2. Reach out. Initiate contact gently, showing that you're open to dialogue. 3. Apologize sincerely. If you're in the wrong, offer a genuine apology. Even if you're not, expressing regret that the relationship suffered can be a powerful healing tool. 4. Discuss and understand. Talk openly about the issue, ensuring both sides feel heard and understood. 5. Rebuild gradually. Take small steps to rebuild trust and connection, understanding that it may take time. We hope this exploration of mend the broken ties has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also the profound impact that healing relationships can have on our lives. Remember, it's never too late to extend a hand in reconciliation and work towards a more connected and understanding world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful journey of learning English.